Can you tell us about RE3D a little bit?
Sure.
And where you're at today, but really the trajectory or the vision of the company.
Sure. So we believe, my teammates and I drink the Kool-Aid. We believe that anyone, anywhere, anytime should have access to their own personal factory. We think they should be able to innovate their own solutions on demand, and that they should ultimately have complete control over their supply chain. We also believe that unlocks new and high growth opportunities worldwide. So the first way that we tackled it actually came down to a vote. We almost tried printing from garbage first. That would have been a really bad idea. But we voted to make what we called the first affordable toilet-sized 3D printer. We figured if you could print a toilet, that you could actually shit in, you could print anything that you would functionally need. So that was our benchmark.
Have you done it?
Huh?
You printed the toilet?
No, I haven't. I have printed a urinal. I spent a lot of time in a urinal. But we have a lot of customers making toilets now. And so this is a tangent, but when we do really cool prints like that, it's important to me that we have these unpaid internships. So we call them like focus projects, and they're like one-offs that don't impact our revenue stream. But I really like having the unpaid interns do projects like that so they get the visibility and credit for it. Because I know people will think it's like super cool. And I've had that position up for like a year. If you go to re3d.org/careers, you'll see the toilet printer, and nobody wants to do it. But I think I am going to take it on. But I was like so stoked to have a high school or college student be like, yes, I 3D printed, Re3D's toilet, here it is. Nope.
Samantha, I'll do it for you.
All right, yeah.
I'm sure there's a couple takers. Wendy's doing it.
It's a design internship. So the toilet hasn't happened, but so that's where the dimensions of Gigabot came from. And since 2012, originally in response to a challenge that Jack Daniels had put out there, we've also shared that we want to ultimately 3D print from waste. And we've kind of run down a couple of rabbit trails trying to figure out how to do that with like no budget for R&D because we're bootstrapped. And we finally settled on a way that also addresses one of the biggest limitations of 3D printing, which is speed with our style. And still don't have any money to do it because I need to start working on bringing my team up to competitive salaries, so I can't pay for R&D ambitions like that. So started doing pitch competitions again in year 3 and just got a little bit of cash. So we finally got the resources to cover the hardware hack. We're super stoked. And we've committed to getting it done within 6 months.
Awesome.
So I'm really stoked about that.
Yeah, and that is 3D printing from
garbage.
Waste.
Yeah,
from
we're going to start with post-manufacturing waste.
Yeah.
We think there's more of a breakout opportunity there and could address the bigger need. And then we could start. We're going to keep it open source and iterate with the community to ultimately be able to reverse engineer it down to bags and trash and landfills.